to you guys. I hope you guys like it. So let's go.
That's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. So if you're new, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And if you're not new, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys also comment down below because the comment section is very dead. Alright guys, so I have my braids in. You guys can watch the video that I did my braids myself. The braids was in for a month and it was getting loose, so I went ahead and I did the refresh rubber band method, and I'm gonna be showing you that clip in just a minute. Guys, thank you guys for all your support, and thank you guys for always watching my channel. And for those of you who have always comment, those of you who always comment on my channel, thank you guys, and I really appreciate it. I'm looking to go to 2K and then 5K. So guys, let's get into the video. These are the products I use: extra virgin coconut oil, elastic band, mousse, and also Eco Style gel. So the first product I'm using is the coconut oil. I got it at Amazon, 2 for $16. The coconut oil is good for moisturizing your hair, also good for retention and hair growth. Then I'm gonna use my mousse. This one, I picked this one especially because it have multivitamin, antioxidant, and also olive oil. So whatever the coconut oil does not provide me with, this will provide me with it. So just a disclaimer, I did not blend out my foundation properly under my chin, and I did not know that until the end of the video. So you guys, please do not laugh. So now we're gonna go ahead and use our Eco Style gel. So what you want to do is get your Eco Style gel, and then you want to just put it on the part, and then you can part it to make it more defined, and then you want to twist it until it's tight, and then you want to secure it with the rubber band. This Eco Style gel, I got it because it have the castor oil and also the flaxseed gel, and you know those two are really good for hair growth and for people who your edges are like, you don't have edges basically. So that gel is good for you guys if you guys are struggling with your edges. So now we're going to start off with the back. That was just a demonstration to show you guys how to do it. So now we're going to start off with the back. And then you just put the gel on, make sure that the part is defined, and then you want to twist until it's firm and secure it with your rubber band. And you just continue that process until the end. tie this down, and then I'm going to just come back and I'm going to show you guys the finished product. So you guys just stay tuned. As you can see that it's looking really good, looking like I just came from the hair salon. Okay guys, I'll be back. So it's been like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So I'm going to take off the head tie and reveal the final look to you guys. I hope you guys like it. So let's go. So this is the final look. And you guys can tell, look at it. The rubber band method did work for me. Front, so you can see, look at that, and you can't even tell. Look like I just came from the hairdresser. This is a cute. I'm gonna start doing this when I have braids and I do not want to take them out. I just want him to be refreshed. So guys, this look is amazing, tell the truth. So guys, did you guys subscribe yet? Because you know I'm waiting for you guys to subscribe to my channel and watch it. Make sure you comment down below if you guys found this tip helpful. And let me know if you guys want to try or you guys did it before. If you guys did a different way, I would love to hear about it. So thank you guys for watching. Bye guys. So that's the end result of the box braid refresh, and I'm in love. Make sure you guys drop a comment down below and tell me what you think. If you guys are gonna try this method, I would love to hear. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.